Try it, you'll thank me later. Did you know orange color correction under your eyes makes your concealer pop? Subscribe for more tips. This eyebrow mess. Day 1. 7 days Vibe Makeup Videos Challenge.
So, follow your natural shape. Use small, hair-like strokes. Concealer. So much better.
Your face in 30 seconds. Start under your cheekbone.
Jawline. And along your forehead.
Blend upwards for snatch look.
You can do this with your brush. Flip your brush for maximum covering. Flat side for heavy covering. Fluffy side for blending.
No one technique.
No to technique. Subscribe. You can do this with your lipstick.
Add a bit to your cheeks for a rosy glow. Or use it as color correction under your eyes. Blend it. Subsculpting with hooded eyes. Here's a trick for the wing. Subscribe for more hacks and tricks.